Salon design. Concept of salon. Salon management teaches the business aspects of managing a salon. This includes aspects such as human resources, marketing, and financial components. It does not teach practical skills to use such as massage or hairstyling, though. Just remember to keep the layout consistent, the devotion, full energy, and to remember the details. Here are some idealized and acceptable 9 varied ideas for decor which creates the salon of your dreams. Create the perfect lighting. Salon lighting should flatten the complexion and complement the interior. Bulbs come in a variety of temperatures. A warm temperature bulb, which varies from 2700 to 3500 Kelvin temperature, is the most flattering on the complexion and complements most salon interiors. Salon lighting should accurately render color. The simple solution is to utilize bulbs in the space that accurately render color. Always request bulbs that have a color. Lean into your space. While the varied ideas of the best way to use your new space will depend on the shape and configuration of the space itself, there are certainly considerations of flow and ergonomics to take into account. Here are a few things to pay attention to. It should be obvious to consumers and passers-by that something fun and interesting is going on inside your space. If you end up in a ground floor space with windows avoiding filling up, reflect on your reflections. It's quite obvious whosoever will come to your salon will definitely sit in front of the mirror. Big multi-dimensional mirrors will make your area open. While placing, must remember the light effect for satisfaction of customers. Thinking outside the box. You know well about space. If it's good enough, then one must go for creativity to floors and ceiling. It can vary from advanced painting technology to carpeted area to spray designs and many more. It will have a pretty well impact on clients. Stay cohesive. It's highly recommendable that stick to a single layout as you may not want your clients to walk from one area to other which may think that step to a different salon. Feel your flow. It simply means that what we want according to our will may happen so that our clients also feel special. It ranges from cohesiveness to space and lighting. Go green. Since we all live in an era of sustainable development, henceforth we can bring different species of flora and even artificial garden system so that it lights up the mood of our client. Make a statement. You can apply different types of artworks like canvas painting, mandala art, spray techniques, and even portraits. It will have good look for clients. No detail is too small. It's quite understandable that every item, detail, and service matters. Do far we had talked almost all. It will be beneficial to follow all these major details for building up a salon of your dreams. Some other major details are as follows. Bathrooms should be clean and regularly sanitized so that it doesn't lead to a messy environment which eventually is not good for business. Bathroom zones. Everything in its place. In the sanitary and bath zone of a large bathroom, you can designate further zones serving different hygienic functions. Thus, we can emphasize and separate from one another the wash basin zone, the toilet zone, the bidet zone, the bathtub zone, and the shower zone. Fire extinguishers are also required as many beauty products are flammable. Light, warmth, and colors. The salon must have backup power sources which have been purchased from authorized dealers with best and advanced quality. Kids' fun area and food services can boost up the business, which will attract more clients. For further inquiries, you can contact 966 799 1921 and 96 799 1922. For mail, support@makemebuilder.com, website www.makemebuilder.com. Thanks for watching. Hit a like, comment your views, suggestions are welcome. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.